I want you to look at the device you are using right now. Do you think you own it? Think again. Inside that plastic and glass shell, there is a ticking clock, an invisible expiration date set by the manufacturer. It's not bad luck. It's not clumsy usage. It is a carefully calculated robbery. Welcome to the world of planned obsolescence, the economic strategy that turns your wallet into their personal ATM. Every year, we throw away 50 million tons of electronics. Why? Because repairing them is often more expensive than buying new ones. And today, on Origin Theory, we're going to expose the secret meetings, the hidden chips, and the software updates designed to kill your tech. Let's go back to Geneva, Christmas, 1924. A secret meeting that changed the world forever. The world's biggest light bulb manufacturers, Philips, Osram, and General Electric, sat down with a problem. Their products were too good. You see, light bulbs in the 1920s could last for 2,500 hours. Some lasted forever. But if a bulb never burns out, you never buy a new one. So, they formed the Phoebus Cartel. They signed a contract to intentionally lower the lifespan to 1,000 hours. And this is the crazy part. If a factory made a bulb that lasted too long, they were fined. Engineers were literally punished for doing a good job. The cartel dissolved in World War II, but their legacy survived. It became the blueprint for the entire modern economy. It wasn't just light bulbs. Let's talk about nylon stockings. When DuPont invented nylon in the 1940s, it was indestructible. You could tow a car with it. It simply would not rip. But the executives at DuPont realized the same problem. If women bought one pair and it lasted for years, sales would crash. So, chemists were ordered to weaken the formula. They made the material fragile, prone to running and tearing. They took a perfect product and broke it on purpose, just to keep the cash register ringing. Fast forward to today. The kill switch has gone digital. Inside your inkjet printer, buried deep in the motherboard, is a tiny chip called an EEPROM. This chip does one thing: it counts. Every page you print adds to the number. When it hits a pre-programmed limit, the printer locks up. It tells you it's broken. It tells you to contact support. But thanks to Russian hackers, we know the truth. They released software to reset this counter. And guess what? Once reset, the broken printer works perfectly for years. It was never broken. It was murder by code. Of course, we can't talk about planned obsolescence without mentioning the king, Apple. In 2017, Apple admitted to throttling older iPhones via software updates. They claimed it was to save battery. The court called it fraud. But it's not just phones. Look at farmers. Farmers are buying $500,000 tractors from John Deere. If a sensor breaks, they are not allowed to fix it. The software locks the engine. They have to wait for a dealer to come and type in a password. It has gotten so bad that farmers are downloading cracked firmware from Ukrainian hackers just to harvest their corn. This is the war on ownership. This isn't just about money. Look at this. Mountains of toxic waste in Africa filled with perfectly good devices that were designed to die. We are drowning in tech trash because profits matter more than the planet. But there is hope. The right to repair movement is winning battles in Europe and the US. Don't let them fool you. Repair your stuff. Buy secondhand. And question everything. If you want to see another lie you've been sold, watch our investigation into the dead internet theory next. I am Origin Theory, unlocking the truth.